gotta wash it out.
Katarina, you want to take the camera?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for what you're going through. Lick
gone.
it. Daryl, lick it. Lick it.
Open. I'm not gonna squirt. Open your eye.
Squirt it. Lick it.
I can feel
It's
it.
not there.
I feel it though.
It's all good.
Is it gone?
You're getting my headphones out. Ah.
How did you get a bug in your eye?
I went through walking through a swarm of fucking no seams. Fuck those things.
You see him now.
Yeah, I fucking see them now. Can you reach in my backpack and get my sweater? You're getting pictures of us.
She was recording it.
You're evil.
I'm Evil Knievel.
Good job.
The woods. This isn't let's go.